Note: please make sure that no parts are missing before installation. Screw bolts A clockwise into panel 1. Ensure the bolt is inserted fully and sits flush with the panel surface. Screw bolts A clockwise into panels 5 and 6. Insert dowels C into panels 5 and 6. Join panel 3 with panel 5 and panel 4 with panel 6. Then secure the connections using the eccentric fittings bee. Insert dowels C into panels 5 and 6. Join panel 7 onto panels 5 and 6 separately. Then secure the connections using the eccentric fittings bee. Screw bolts A into panel 10. Insert dowels C into panel 3 and 5 assemblies. Join the panel 3 and 5 assembly with panel 10. Then secure the connection using the eccentric fittings bee. Join the panels 4 and 6 assembly to panel 10 in the same way. Screw bolts A into panel 9. Join the panel 9 with panel 12, then secure the connection using the eccentric fittings bee. Join the panel 8 to panel 12 in the same way. Attach panels 8 and 9 to panel 7 using screws D and secure by turning clockwise. Insert dowels C into panels 10. Join the panel 11 with panel 10, then secure the connection using the eccentric fittings bee. Join panels 11 onto panels 8, 9, and 12 by inserting screws D, and lock them by tightening clockwise. Insert dowels C into panel 1. Join the panel 10 assembly with panel 1. Then secure the connection using the eccentric fittings V. Insert dowels C into panels 3 and 4. Join panels 2 onto panels 3 and 4 assemblies by inserting screws D, and lock them by tightening clockwise. The installation is complete.